Let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to convert 5 amps to milliamps and 5 amps to microamps. So how are we supposed to solve this problem? I always write first everything what is given. So I have 5, and because I have no symbol of the prefix, I simply write times 10 to 0 amps. Next, I have to convert this to milliamps. Milli has power of 10, 10 to negative 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write over here 10 to negative 3. And what I do always, I simply copy this number, write 5 times 10 times my prefix. Okay, of course, amps. Next, I ask myself question, what exponent I supposed to write over here? You have to keep in mind that this exponent plus this exponent is supposed to give me this exponent. So this exponent plus negative 3 has to give me 0. 3 plus negative 3 is going to give me 0. So my answer is going to be 5 times 10 to the third power. 10 to negative 3 is represented by milli. This is the symbol of the prefix milliamps. Now, someone is going to say, oh, you got 10 to the third, and 10 to the third is kilo. This power of 10 represents my prefix. This power of 10 represents the number, is the part of the number. Instead of writing 3 zeros, instead of writing 5,000 milliamps, I simply write 5 times 10 to the third milliamps. And this is professional way to write. We don't use this notation. Okay, so this is the solution to first part of my problem. Next, I'm supposed to convert 5 amps to microamps. Again, I'm going to use exactly the same procedure. I have 5 times 10 to 0 amps. So 5 amps, no prefix, means power of 10 is 10 to 0. Next, I copy down this number, so 5 times 10 times 10, because I have to convert this to micro this time. Micro represents this power of 10. So I have 10 to negative 6 amps. Next, I'm supposed to ask myself question, what number I'm supposed to write over here that this number added to this one is going to give me 0. This number is 6. 6 plus negative 6 gives me 0. So my answer is going to be 5 times 10 to the 6, and this is my prefix, so this is microamps. Again, this power of 10, 10 to the 6, represents the number of zeros which I'm supposed to write after 5. But in order to make the number short, because engineering notation is designed to make the numbers short, long numbers short. No matter if this is big number or small number, the number is supposed to be short as possible. So instead of write 6 zeros, I simply write times 10 to the 6. So answer is 5 times 10 to the 6 microamps. This is the solution to this problem.